An unpolarized light beam traveling in air is incident on a medium of refractive index 1.73 at Brewster's angle. Then what will happen? So we have to conclude about the reflected and transmitted light and the angle of incidence. So here the refractive index of the medium is 1.73 and this is air. So the light goes from air to a medium of refractive index mu is equal to 1.73. Now if the angle of incidence, here the angle of incidence is theta p, let's say theta p, that is the polarizing angle, because it has said that the angle of incidence is Brewster's angle. So we know that for Brewster's law, we know that tan theta p is equal to mu, that is 1.73. So theta p, so 1.73 is the value of root 3. So tan theta p is root 3, that is theta p is equal to tan inverse root 3, tan inverse root 3, that is 60 degree. So the angle of incidence theta p is 60 degree. So the angle of reflection is also 60 degree. So this angle is also 60 degree. And we know that from Brewster's law, the reflected ray is completely polarized. When the angle of incidence is the Brewster's angle, then the reflected ray, that is, this is the reflected ray. So the reflected ray is completely polarized, and the transmitted ray or refracted ray is the mixture of polarized and unpolarized. So the reflected ray is completely polarized and the angle of reflection is 60 degree. So here option 1, now check the options, that is reflected light is completely polarized and the angle of reflection is close to 60 degree. So option 1 is correct. Reflected light is partially polarized, not. So reflected, this is wrong. So both reflected and transmitted light are perfectly polarized. No, this is also wrong. Transmitted light is completely polarized. No. So option 1 is the correct answer, that is reflected light is completely polarized and the angle of reflection is close to 60 degree. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.